Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for lab application sheet, so I will show you the delete part as the post lab require the student to show the delete part only. So for the first one, we want to see this XML, which is context menu. So at the last line in this menu element, you can see there is delete element. So this means when we long click one of the contact number in this app, like this one, if we click the name, as you can see, there will be 4 items that we can choose. So the last one that we want to focus on is the delete one. So let's look what happens if we click the button. So let's go to the main activity Java. So for this one, so this is the method to handle each of these action. So we want to look at the delete one only. So this is the condition. So if the delete is clicked, it will go to the show delete dialog method, so which is the bottom one. So let's see what happen in this method. So the first one, there will be a dialog pop up using this alert dialog builder. So if we click this delete button, so as you can see, there will be a top pop up that say I delete contact as the title. She's here, and the message, are you sure you want to delete this contact? So there will be a no and yes button. So if yes, we set it as the positive, it will show the contact deleted. So if we click yes, so there will be this pop up message at the bottom. So let's see what happens if we click the no. If we click no, it will pop up this other message for negative button, which is the delete cancel. So it will show the message at this using this line of code. So that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.